Yes people, welcome to my channel. Let me show you what's going on today. Sean right here from Exploration. This is a pot of bubbling water, and in that water we're going to have some dumplings in a minute. I just want to quickly show you the dough. Yes, over here we have the dough for the dumpling. It's going to be a healthy dumpling. We're going to cook some dumpling with mackerel and maybe some potatoes. Alright, so to mix this dumpling dough, we add flour, a little bit of cornmeal, and most importantly, some spirulina powder. I put about, I don't know, maybe about whatever I had left. I did have lots left because I use it to make smoothies, but I had about 4 teaspoons I put in there. And you got the dough looking green like this. And I'll put about 2 teaspoons or more of organic wheatgrass powder. Kind of try to make the dough a bit healthier rather than just the plain old flour. And I add about 2 teaspoons of salt to that. So you can watch now as I make this dumpling to put them into our pot. It's a healthy dumpling. Hold up. Right, so let's go then. Just gonna finish kneading out the dough. It's a bit tight. Yeah. I'm not gonna leave the dough to sit as I normally do. It's a bit tighter than I want it, so I'm going to just add a tiny little bit of water. And some flour. Alright. Yep, so my dough's ready, and I'm now gonna knead the dumplings. Just like this. I'll show you how I knead them. Still a bit tight. Just like so. And I put them down like so. Some people like to shape them into a cartwheel like so. See? So kind of a nice little wheel. Now I'm going to pop it into the pot. Make some smaller for my daughter. Pop it into the pot. Okay, you get the idea. So just continue doing that until all the dough is gone out and you have all the dumplings in your pot. Don't know how much I'll get, not counting numbers, but let's see. that's what's going on in there. Somewhere to put this. I can show you. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish filling up the dumplings, the pot with the dumplings. I'm going to knead them out a bit tighter than I normally do. Just like so, drop it in. I like making sure I have some left over because I like frying the dumplings the following morning. See Daisy. So just forming them out like that. Dropping them in. Forming them out. Dropping them in. Just want to say to you, yeah, hope you're willing to try some of these ideas to kind of make your flour a little bit healthier. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment to let me know how you feel about what I'm doing. I think it's a good idea to do the dumpling this way, but you know me, in Jamaica they say every spoil is a style. There's quite a few dumplings now, the pot is full enough. I'm gonna make about 2 more and then I'm gonna leave these. I might fry this little bit of flour that's left because it's just for me and my daughter. Alright, so those dumplings are in. A very rotten plant in here. What's the best thing to do with it? I was going to add it to this pot, but it's probably far too ripe, so maybe I'll save this to fry. Instead I will add this one to the pot. I'm just going to wash it off. The plantain is nice and washed. What I'm going to do, like is in my daughter's plate. What I'm going to do now is just cut it like this. Literally like that. And I'm going to drop them in the pot just like this. So I just drop the plantain in the pot. So now we have some healthy style dumpling. And we have some plantains. It's a very small pot I'm making. What I'm going to do, it's the best way to stabilize this thing. And the bunting almost cooked. Set the burn. So lots of dumpling, with a potato, that's more than enough food for this mackerel. And there's a piece of steamed mackerel. You can get a 6 piece from the market, 8 piece, or you buy one big Jamaican braised mackerel for, I don't know, maybe about 80 or something like that. Depending on where you buy from. But really, best thing to do is put the fish out, take one mackerel, make some hot sauce, and eat that too. That's evil, eat that. Unfortunately, I'm that far ahead, so I'm just going to literally use the mackerel, it's fine. Firm, so almost cooked. Cheese is going to be hot, things on there. This is called dumplings green. The wheatgrass is ready for it. I look at the experiment with other cattle powder, take powder, and so on. I've done this before, and in terms of the flavor of the dumpling, it doesn't change it. It's fine. It's still a nice dumpling. Just have some natural additives. So we call them healthy dumplings. Carbohydrates. I need it for energy for my running. Alright. Right, now that we have the healthy carbs going over there, let's deal with the mackerel. So to prepare the mackerel, I'm just gonna have one onion. You can put carrot in it if you want, but I'm not actually gonna use any carrots. So I'm just gonna use this onion. Some people put garlic in there, but just a red onion for me. It doesn't have to be red, it can be white.